Okay, welcome to another episode of DIY Salt. Yeah, so today is Saturday, March something, 5th or 6th, 6th maybe? Anyway, it doesn't matter. So today the project is, once again, the snowblower. We're going to try to check the oil in the gearbox. And number two, most importantly, what I want to do is I gotta replace this because under here, I'll be taking all this off. It's broken, but also, if you see right here, it's cracked in half. That's for the muffler. I'm gonna bring this up to a friend's house. We're going to weld that together. So here we go. Sucker. Don't look at it. How's that look?
It looks pretty good, but it doesn't mean it's not worn out. It's change it, you know?
Hopefully you're inside. Okay, I'm just going to put these here. Pencil, it's not sharpened. These are muffler cover. Okay. Carburetor. So this is strange. I mean, I thought there was a spring that's supposed to be on here, and I don't see a spring, so I'm a little concerned with that. So, all right. If I can remember how everything comes out of here.
So that jet is likely your main jet. Typically, you'd access it from the bottom, often where the bolt for the bowl is. If there's a brass piece down there, that's usually the main jet. You'd unscrew that carefully. If yours seems stuck or fixed, sometimes carburetors have pressed-in jets that aren't removable. In that case, you'd just clean it with a wire or carb cleaner. Let me know how yours looks underneath.
Okay, I don't know. we'll go with it. It looks upside down. Down all the way? I think so, right? Okay, so got a little problem with the carburetor. I don't know if I caused it, which it could be possible, or it was shot, and then just by me cleaning it, just exposed the problem. But so where the float goes and the pin, right? You get your little tiny pin. You can see that. Okay. You know, it goes on top of the carburetor, which controls the flow of gas, right? There's this tiny little, where are you? There's this tiny little gasket that is shot. So when I put it all back together, I actually put it back together right. When I put it back together, it was getting no gas, and I couldn't figure it out. I had the shutoff was on, had spark. Obviously, when you check all that, it's not getting gas. So I pulled it back out again. I looked in there. And I actually had a friend come over because I couldn't figure it out. But well, actually, the float was like tight. I'm like, why is this so tight? And then he examined it a little bit, and he found that gasket shot. So guess what I'm doing? I'm ordering a new carburetor. I'm gonna get that ordered. Once that comes in, I'll just put the new one on, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you in a bit.